Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to write text in right side in Ms. Word. Open your Word document to see the text. One of the options you have is to click on the option, Align Right located in the paragraph group. Alternatively, click on the upper left corner until the icon is with the right tab stop. After that, click on the location of this tab stop in the document. If you wish, you can drag this alignment wherever necessary. Finally, press the tab key so that the cursor is located there. When you enter the text, you will see that it is on the right. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.